and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea with me, Victoria. So today's video is another species spotlight, and this video is on the orca or killer whale. So I've got a quick fact for you before we dive into the video. You may have already heard this if you've seen some of my other videos, because it has come up before on the quick ocean facts section of some of my previous videos. However, in case you weren't aware, killer whales or orcas aren't actually whales, they are dolphins. This is because of a mistranslation. They were originally called whale killers because they were known to take down large groups of whales much larger than themselves. So this is actually a mistranslation from whale killer to killer whale, but they are actually the largest member of the dolphin family. So I hope you've enjoyed that quick fact, and let's dive right into the video. Cheers.
Orca, killer whale. Orcinus orca. Orca are the largest member of the dolphin family. They belong to a group called blackfish. Other members include the long-finned pilot whale, false killer whale, and melon-headed whale. Orca are odontocetes, which means toothed whales. They have teeth as opposed to baleen. This family covers porpoises, dolphins, blackfish, beaked whales, and toothed whales. Odontocetes have a central dorsal fin, a single blowhole, and a round melon. Toothed whales and dolphins use echolocation for hunting and navigating, while baleen whales, for example humpbacks and blue whales, generally produce a series of sounds which are frequently termed songs that are used for communicating. This is why toothed whales have a melon. The melon contains fatty tissues of different densities which act as a flexible acoustic lens. Orcas are 5 to 9 metres long with a small beak and a white patch behind their eye. Their blow is relatively small and bushy. They are glossy black with a white eye patch and belly with a grey patch behind their dorsal fin. The dorsal fin can stretch up to 2 metres on a large male. With females it is shorter and more curved. Their behaviours include spy hopping, breaching, logging, splashing, and social behaviours. Orca are social and intelligent creatures who coordinate their attacks. They have paddle-like pectoral fins. The older females are in charge in a matriarchal society. They have a light-coloured saddle patch behind their dorsal fin and a thick tail stalk. They have a blunt melon head. They are the largest dolphin species. Killer whale is a mistranslation. They were originally called whale killers as they would take down large whales. Over time this got mistranslated. They can be known as the wolves of the sea. The fish get confused by the eye patch and think there is more predators than there actually is, so they all group together. This makes it easier for the orcas to eat them. Orcas may be the second most widely ranging mammal species on this planet, after humans. Orcas may occur in virtually any marine habitat, but are mostly common in cold water areas of high marine productivity, particularly at higher latitudes and near shore. Orca often travel in groups. In each pod contains at least 5 mammals, including 2 mothers and their babies, and sometimes up to around 30 individuals. Orcas are currently listed as data deficient on the IUCN Red List. They were last assessed in June 2017. So this doesn't mean that they're not endangered, it's just that it's data deficient, so we don't know. Orcas go through menopause. Females can mate several times a year. Their gestation period is 15 to 18 months. And orcas are a polygamous species, and they may have multiple partners in a single season. Orcas have vocal dialects, a unique repertoire of clicks, whistles and calls shared by each pod or group. Since dialects are passed from mother to offspring through social learning and copying, scientists believe they may gradually change with time by random copying errors. When orcas and white sharks confront one another, it is the white shark that flees. Research conducted at the Monterey Bay Aquarium in California followed a group of sharks, white sharks, for several months. These sharks always fed in the same place, but when 2 pods of orcas arrived, the sharks fled and did not return for months. It is possible that orcas are targeting white sharks, and the theory is simply that orcas bully white sharks away from prey in the area. Either way, even if orcas are just passing through, white sharks will not return to a location for up to a year. Thank you very much for watching this week's Species Spotlight all about orcas. I hope you've enjoyed it and learnt something new. If you have, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more. Thank you.